Education is a transformative process that equips individuals with knowledge, skills, and values. It goes beyond classrooms and textbooks, encompassing a lifelong journey of learning and personal growth. Education empowers individuals to think critically, solve problems, and communicate effectively. It fosters creativity, curiosity, and a thirst for knowledge. Education expands horizons, exposing individuals to diverse cultures, perspectives, and ideas. It promotes social cohesion, empathy, and understanding. Education is a catalyst for individual success, enabling individuals to pursue their passions and contribute meaningfully to society. It drives innovation, fosters social progress, and empowers individuals to become active and responsible citizens. Ultimately, education has the power to shape a better future for all.